What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great. Hope you had a great weekend, and I hope this will be a profitable week for you. In this video, hopefully, we're starting it off right with an analysis on Rndr, which is a little bit of a switch up from my last videos I just recorded because I covered some of those manipulated pumps, and Rndr I wanted to say is different because it is. Because Rndr, I like Rndr. Like as a project, I like Rndr a lot. I've been following it for a very long time. Like I've made videos on this for years, and like I said, I like the project. But the thing is that Rndr is also manipulated. All right, there's well, not necessarily manipulated like the other cryptos. So don't be spooked out. I would say it's less manipulated, but a move like this, for example, what we saw this morning, this is not normal price action. All right. Does Rndr deserve it? Yes. So in that way, I would say it's a bit different. But in the end, it's still not normal price action. Doesn't matter. We'll do a full analysis in this video. If we're taking a look at Rndr right now, you'll see that it has a massive momentum. It has basically technically been bullish since the beginning of September, so that's great as well. Had a bit of a pullback every once in a while, but that's part of an uptrend as well. So Rndr right now is showing a lot of volume, all right? Not necessarily a high open interest. The open interest has actually been dropping down. So what that tells us is that this is most likely just spot purchases, which also, like I said, then it's a bit less manipulated because it could just be that this is someone who is gathering a large amount of Rndr tokens for the long term. And is that manipulation? No. So I think it's closer to that, all right? Or at least it's partially that. So technically, like, it's difficult to say what Rndr will do now, because what actually happens is that the main resistance level is between 1.86 and 1.87 cents. It's a strong technical level. It has the 0.618 fib, which you can barely see, but it is there. Trust me. It's that orange line. So the big question is can it break above that or not? And this last candle has not broken above that. So I think that will depend on the next candle. So we'll have to wait for that. If that's able to break above 1.87, I would say the most likely scenario is that it will go all the way up to 1.95 again, where it found resistance. That's the 2.618 Fibonacci extension. And then afterwards up to 2.03/2.05, which is the next major support level, or next major resistance level, excuse me. So this will happen if Rndr is able to break above 1.87 with the next candle. That's the crucial part. And apart from that, Bitcoin should also not crash. All right, if Bitcoin crashes, while Rndr did get that bullish breakout, it will probably still not get all the way up to 2.05. It will get a bit lower, perhaps up to 1.95 again. So Bitcoin is a crucial component of Rndr right now. All right, like the correlation was very high Sunday last week. Sunday yesterday, the correlation was still quite high. So Rndr is dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts crashing, Rndr will follow. All right, it's not what I expect. Bitcoin looks very strong right now, but just know that. All right, so in general, like I said, it just depends on that next candlestick. As you can see right now, Rndr is not above 1.87. So if it doesn't break above 1.87, 1.86, it will just drop back down towards 1.8, and after that probably down to 1.75. After which it will stay in this range / consolidation between 1.87 and 1.7. So the next 4 hours will be pretty crucial. I'll try to keep you updated on that. Hopefully you now know what to expect. I try to explain it as well as possible. But if you do have any questions, let me know. And if you want to receive my trades as signals in my own premium group, check out the links down in the description. I send my own trades, but you also gain access to my own trading guides and a community full of traders. Sounds interesting? Consider joining. Links will be down in the description, like I said. But for now, enjoy your Monday. Take care and bye.